Hi students. So yesterday we successfully finished the exercise 6.1. So today I am going to teach you the problems of the exercise 6.2. So in the 6.2 the first question is that find the square of the following numbers. Okay, here we have to find the square number of the given numbers here. Okay, very easy, all these problems also. All of you see here students. This 32 we have to find the square number of this. Okay, square number of this. Okay, dear students, you have to keep in mind that this 32 I split as a 30 plus 2 here. Okay, this 32 I split as a 30 plus 2 here. Understood? 30 plus 2 how much becomes? It is a 32, and this one square I write as it is. Okay, so this is the first step, and after that we have to solve this one. See here students, here we have to use an algebraical formula here. Okay, algebra formula here we have to use. So what is that formula? All of you see here, a plus b whole square. Okay, that is, let me write that formula here. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab. So using this formula, now we have to solve this problem. Okay, here a means 30. Okay, b means 2. Okay, here a is equal to 30 and b is equal to how much? It is 2. Okay, a means it is a 30 and b is equal to 2, and square both are same here. Okay, next put the equal sign. A square means how much it is? A means it is a 30. Understood? 30 raised to square plus b square means how much it is? A b means a 2. Okay, it is a 2 raised to square plus, okay, here 2ab means it is a 2 into a into b. Okay, 2 into a means how much? It is a 30, and b means it is how much? It is a 2. Okay, 2ab means it is a, we have to write this 2 as it is. A means 30 and b means 2. Next, after that, here we have to find the square number of 30 here. Square number of 30, how much it is? See here, 30 into 30, 1 0 2 zeros. Okay, 3 3 is a 9. Okay, it is nothing but 900. 900 plus, and the square of 2 is how much? It is 4. Okay, 2 2 is a 4. Next, we have to multiply all these. Okay, how much comes? It is 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12, and this one 0, right, as it is. Next step is that we have to add all these. If we add all these, how much we got? All of you see here, 900 plus 4 and 120. Okay, 4 2 9 plus 1, it is a 10. Okay, so it becomes how much here? 1024 is the answer. So it is nothing but this is the square number of 32. So to verify this number, whether this answer is right or wrong, you may check this one. 32 multiplied 2 times. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, and next 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, after adding all these 4s, 12, and it becomes 1024. Okay, here the answer also same, and here also the same. So this is the solution for this problem. Here let me explain one more time. The given number we have to split like this also. Okay, let me solve the another one. See the next problem, students, here. That is, here I am going to solve that fifth one. Okay, here we have to find the square number of the 71. 71 square is equal to, here I split this 71 as a 70 plus 1. Okay, 70 plus 1 square. Understood? Again here we have to write the formula. It is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, 2ab. So here a means how much it is? Sorry, a means how much it is? A 70. Okay, a means 70 it is, and b means how much it is? A 1. A means 70 and b means 1. Next step is that uh, a square means it is a 70 square, and b square means 1 square. Okay, next plus 2ab means it is a plus 2 into a means 70 and b means how much it is a 1. Okay, a square means it is a 70 square plus b square means it is a 1 square plus plus, and 2ab means how much it is a 2 into a means 70 and b means 1. So 2ab means, as I explained in the previous problem, here we have to put the into sign, 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b, like this. Next simplification we have to do here. 70 square how much becomes? It is 0 0 1 0 1 0 2 0, and 7 7 is 49, 4900, and then this one becomes 1, and here we have to multiply all these. Okay, 2 7 is 40, it means 140, 141 is 140. Okay, so after adding all these, how much we got here? 4900, 1 and 140. Okay, 1 4 10 5. It is nothing but how much it becomes here? 5041. Okay, so this is the solution for the fifth question. Okay, let me solve the another one. See the one more problem, students, all of you here. Here I am going to solve that sixth one, that is a 46. Here we have to find the square number of 46. Okay, students, you have to keep in mind that in the previous in the previous problem, I did the addition, but here we have to do the subtraction like this. See here, 46 square is equal to, here we have to find the square number of this. Okay, here I am going to write the subtraction here, 50 minus 4. Okay, 50 minus 4. 50 minus 4 how much comes? It comes as a 46. Okay, here we have to use another formula. Okay, that is a minus b whole square. Let me write that formula here. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in the previous problem, I used a plus b whole square. The difference between both these problems is that here we used the minus, and here it comes minus, and compared to that previous one formula, that much is the difference, students. Next, here a means how much it is? 50. A means 50, and b means how much it is? B means it is 4. Understood? So the next, a means 50 square. Okay, and plus b means it is a 4 square minus 2 into a means how much it is? A 50, and b means 4. Understood? Next, simplification of this 50 becomes how much? 2500. Okay, here you have to do the multiplication, and after that it becomes 16, and if you multiply all these, it becomes 400. Okay, 250 is 100, 104 is 400, and here we have to add both these. Okay, and what the sum comes in that sums, we have to do the subtraction of this 400. Okay, 2516 minus 400. Okay, if we add both these, we get answer as a 2516, and after that 2516 minus 400, how much comes? It is 9196. Okay, so the answer is 1916. It means 1916. The square number of 46 how much comes? It is 1916. You may, if you want to make a verification, you find the square number of 46 like this. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 276 and 24. Okay, 4 4 the 16, 16 plus 2 18. Okay, 6 1 9 1. Okay, so the here also the answer same, and here also answer the comes same. So dear students, so these are the solution for the problems of the first question of exercise 6.2. I hope all of you understood all these problems. And one more point is that students, I forgot to tell that if you not interested to do the subtraction here, you may do the addition also like this. Okay, 40 plus 6, you may also do like this also, 40 plus 6. If you not interested to do the subtraction, you may do the addition also, students. The answer comes last same, don't worry. If you not interested to do the subtraction here, you may also do the addition, that is 40 plus 6 also you may do. So the answer last comes same. Understood? So the this first exercise contains total 6 problems. I solved 3. Okay, I let this second one as a homework. You may split this as a 30 plus 5 and this one as a 80 plus 6 or 90 minus 4. Choice is yours. You may do adding or subtraction. You may choose any one. And this fourth one as a 90 plus 3. Okay, or 100 minus 7. You may follow any one method. Okay, and remaining I solved here. So the students, these are the solution for the first question of the exercise 6.2, and remaining I solved 3, and remaining 3 you practice in home. Okay, I hope all of you understood all this, and remaining you practice in home. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.